All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Mountain View. My name is Mr. Joe. I'm the principal. Appreciate everybody being here. I can't believe it's already 2025. Ready for spring break. Our kids have worked so hard to put this on. This morning I had a meeting, of course, so I wasn't able to be here, but I heard it went fantastic. So I wanted to give a couple shouts out to a couple people real quick before we get started. Miss Rasmussen, our strings teacher, is fantastic. Mr. Lowe back there, fantastic job. Mr. Wiz stepped up and he has done a fantastic job. Miss Wagner, our other music teacher, is ill, so he's kind of stepped in and really stepped up. So we appreciate you, Mr. Wiz.
I'm Mrs. Rasmussen, and I'm the strings teacher here at Mountain View. And it's so nice to have people still coming. This is great. We have the full audience. Awesome. So we had a lot of things to deal with this semester, right? All those cold days, which with a wooden instrument, it really does not help the instrument at all. So a lot of our lessons were tuning, basically, the whole lesson. And then like retuning when we start to play, and then they just go, bleh, and they just like totally go out of tune. So we did a lot of tuning. Actually, the kids learned how to tune some of their own instruments once they were safe for them to tune. So they actually got some learning out of that whole experience, but I will say that below zero temperatures are just not good for string instruments. So the remote days did not really help us unless they had their instrument at home and they were practicing. That was great then. They had all day to practice, right? So we had some things to deal with this semester, but we're in a good place now. They really are enjoying performing, which is kind of one of my main goals, is to get them out in front of people and just have them experience that this is it. Like there's no start overs. Whatever happens, this is our performance. So ready to go, boom, now, and play what you know. And so it's really a good experience for them to do that. And then later on this spring, we'll continue.